Alright, you're welcome to this video where I will be showing you how you can create your own AI image for yourself. It's no longer news that AI images are now trending, okay? Most people use it for their background, for their DP and all that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do this for free, okay? For free, and you can be able to use it to make money for yourself. Do you understand? Now, what I'm going to be teaching you is the app called Remini. You can go to your Play Store and download Remini. Now, if you download the Remini, this is what you're going to be seeing. For you to start, they will be asking you to make payment, as you can see. Okay, there is no free one here, unless you see this start free trial. So there is a secret I'm going to be giving you, which you're going to be using. Okay, so the secret is this. Once you have gotten the Remini app and you want to log in, and this comes out, just click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, it asks you to input your card details. Now the card details you should be inputting should not have money in it. Do you understand? Or if it have money in it, it should just be minimal. If you're not interested to make the payment, that's just the secret. Okay, so once I have inputted this my card details, is going to be asking me for my email address to confirm that I'm the one, because I'm going to be paying through my email. So after inputting the password, this is where it's blinking that I've subscribed. Meanwhile, I know there is no money in that card. There's no money in that card. Okay, so this is just for them to see that you'll be willing to pay once you click on start free trial. So once you have done that, this is the next place you're going to be coming. Okay, so if you there are different layers in this Remini app. You can see unlock the full potential of Remini. This is a higher payment. Okay, so if you're interested in this, I'm going to be showing us to see the same thing. You just need to just click on continue and input the card, and that's just it. Input your password rather, and that's just it. Are you getting me? So once I've done that, this is the let me take you from afresh so you see. So this is where it comes in. You select the profile, whether male or female. Okay, then I go for male because my images is going to be male. Do you understand? So once you have done that, you're going to be selecting just 8 photos. Okay, 8 photos of the AI image you want to generate. You should already have the image already, the photo already. So let me quickly select 8 photos of myself, and then boom, you're going to be seeing the AI image that will be generating. So let me select it. So once I'm done selecting it, I'm going to be showing you guys how this is done. All right, so click on continue. Say your AI profile is generating. So now next to this, to pick a model, we have a young baby. How you want your photo to look like, whether six-pack or want it to wear suit. As you can see, say use this model image and all that. So I want to wear a suit. So I think that's going to look more professional. Do you understand? If you want a gymming one to show your muscles and all that, you can go for that. If you want a baby, you just going to changing that picture into the model you selected. I mean the picture you uploaded into the model you selected. Do you understand? So this is me. As you can see here, this is gentle with Remini. Wearing the one on suit. Okay, so this is just the secret of you getting AI images for yourself. Do you understand? Now you say, are you sure you haven't saved the video yet? Now after I've gotten, you just need to save the video. Okay, by clicking this downloading button, this other button that points down, okay, beside this deleting button. After you have go through the video, the images, and you see that you like them, so just click on the download button here, and the image will be downloaded to your gallery. So I have checked all the image and I've downloaded them. All right, so in case you want another one, maybe a man, you want to see yourself, these are just the models that are here, like a white man. All right, so these are just the models that you can be able to see. Do you understand? Yeah, so let me just pick one more and you see for yourself. Okay, so once the model gets, there is time allocated to this thing, so all it is just need to wait. All right, so I'm going for a second time so I can be able to show you what I did exactly. So I just need to wait, and the image you get will come in, will be created. So as I waited, this is another version of it. Okay, it's another version of the images. So this is the secret of you being able to create AI image for yourself. All right, so I just need to click on save now, and I'm going to be saving the images. If I want it to convert to video, you just click on save as video, so it will convert it to video immediately. Do you understand? Okay, I think if it's nice to show you another model, but then I hope you have understood the secret of you being able to get AI image for yourself. All right, so it's very simple. When you input your card details, there is no money in it. It's just for 7 days old. That's the secret. All right, then you select you upload your 8 photos. Then you select the model you want. Okay, once you select the model, you click on generate, and the image will generate for you. Okay, so as simple as that. But if you want to continue making money from it, you need to pay. All right, just pay. People who pay 1,000 naira for AI image, as you know, and there are people who are making money from it, teaching others how to do it. Do you understand? So that's just the secret of you being able to make AI images for yourself. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do that, do well to subscribe to this channel. All right, so this is a Remini app, and that's how it works.